Welcome to the Memory Expert Tools, the Loci Method course. My name is Chris M. Nemo, and I'm a memory improvement writer and blogger at the Nemo Bay. In the next lessons, you will learn all about the most powerful existing memory technique and how you can apply it in your daily life to ensure your success in different situations that you face every day. The Loci method is considered to be one of the most versatile memory techniques. The power of this technique is so incredible that the best memorizers of the world use this technique invariably whenever they want to make or break an existing memory record. As you will see in this course, using this method really can make many aspects of your life much easier. What is the challenge of this course? In this course, I want to make you understand what memory improvement is about, and see for yourself just how simple and handy this skill is. After you understand how it works, and I guarantee that you will understand it after watching this course, improving your memory will be just a matter of consistency and practice. The Memory Expert Tools series will be continued with other courses dedicated to the most powerful mnemonic techniques, presented in detail and with a lot of examples. If you want to go further and learn other advanced memory techniques used by memory athletes in competitions, I also recommend you to enroll in the next courses of this series. To stay up to date with my future projects, just subscribe to my blog, The Nemo Bay, and I will keep you informed about them. And don't worry, I promise not to spam you. Now, let's begin our lessons.